Hi. So let's move ahead with respect to our 15 programming languages in 15 hours. In our intro section, you have seen a glimpse of what our approach is. How is it possible to learn 15 programming languages? And now we will explore more about it. We'll actually have the rubber meeting the road now. Let's see. Let's have a quick recap of what we have learned. Yes, we started thinking how to learn any programming language. And we said the fundamental unit in any programming language to learn is token. Tokens are the smallest unit of a program and that has a well-defined meaning and purpose in that language. And we have also come across like there are 5 types of tokens: keywords, identifiers, operators, strings, and literals. Any programming language has only these 5. And let's try to expand them. Tokens, keywords, words that are well defined. Yeah, they have a well-defined meaning in any programming language. Meaning of these words cannot be changed by the programmer, nor a programmer can create these keywords. Identifiers, these are words created by the programmer. The meaning can be changed from time to time. Operators, these are symbols that perform a well-defined task. Strings, group of characters either enclosed in single quotes or double quotes. And then finally, we have literals. These are like constant values: 3.14, 9.8, negative values, positive values, whichever way we take. All these are literals. Now, these are 5 types of tokens that exist in any programming language. Now, what are we going to do with these tokens? The next level of our learning is about statements. How many types of statements do we have? Yeah, and what are these statements? Statements are instructions that are given to the system by the programmer. And these statements can be classified only into 5 types again. Which 5? What are these 5? First one, memory statement, then arithmetic and logical statements, input statement, output statements, and control statements. And why only 5? Yeah, we have already discussed. This is based on the architecture of a computer. Any computer has these 5 peripherals. There's no 6th peripheral in your computer. Then when we create instructions, on which hardware is that instruction going to operate? So there are only 5. These 5 statements and these 5 peripherals sync with each other. Instructions get processed on this hardware and we achieve whatever the machine needs to be done. Yeah, it helps the machine in implementing what our commands are, what our requests are, and the outcome is delivered to the end users. Now, to begin with, let's first start with memory statements. Yeah, so till now, you know, like tokens are there. Tokens will be converted into statements. But how? The key was syntax. Syntax is the rules or grammar using which statements are generated by combining tokens. With this in mind, now we shall start working on our memory statements. Yeah, thank you everyone. Looking forward for the next session.